Wreck. Hi guys. Oh, come on, my keyboard's stuck. You can talk. Oh god. Come on, you stupid keyboard. Okay, there we go. It worked. It works now, don't worry. I'm alright. Did I get no more? I'ma bite you. I'm eating Corey. I'm bigger than Corey. Why do you have to put money signs? What did you give for it? What did you give for it? I gave my neon white Shiba Inu for this. Yeah. I'm going to school. Okay, I'm coming to school. Go to school, go to school. No. Oh, you gave me a cracked egg. Thank you. Yeah, I got it. Thank you. A cracked egg. And then he TP'd to me. Some kid's traded me a freaking... Yo, this kid's traded me loads of stuff.
Did you get what I asked for?
It's time for school.
He's gonna find out. Maybe not.
Yeah? What?
Is it worth it? You
Yeah.
are rich.
Okay, come to me. Erin is the best book call, lol.
It's not. I grew up not too far from here. One bedroom.
No, because you're saying your own username. Dance too? What? Oh my god! My dad's crazy.
Didn't like the service. I hid there.
Oh my god, my dad's psycho. Daddy, calm down. What's joy? Do joy, Dad. You're lucky that you get to ride it. I just gave my neon Shiba Inu. My neon ride Shiba Inu I gave for this. I'm gonna make a neon guinea pig. I've got 8. So I'm gonna make Skittle and I'm gonna make Hampton, which is in his cage right now in the living room. Yeah, I'm gonna make my neon guinea pig now. I'm gonna work for it. Promise you'll give it back. Yeah, promise you'll give it back. Okay, fine. Goodbye, Skittle. I just gave you to a new home. Now get Hampton. Yeah, these are capybaras. I always think they're guinea pigs. See? And then I'll get Hampton.
Someone asked me what is Miss Movie's secret. I couldn't answer.
No, don't worry, don't worry.
I think you're holding back on me.
Oh wait, oh yeah.
Okay.
But what if I want to do my cracked egg? Let me do my cracked egg first, okay? Yeah, that's why I'm gonna make a neon. Hold on. Let me do my cracked egg and then you can carry on doing Hampton. I just ran into a wall. Do you know what colour they are when they're neon? Don't worry. No, they're white. Yeah. Oh, God's sake, this man's about to get murdered. Bright white. I'm nearly at 2,000 because I raise pets. I'm a teleporter. Oh, Skittle's going crazy. You adopted Skittle. Yo, they got the panda in the shop now. Oh, look at the panda, it's laying down. I never saw it. Look, Skittle's going crazy because he's in a new home. I feel like the leashes are a rip-off. Do you want a newspaper? Hold on. Eggs can't play with toys. Bruh. I'm going in the red house. Lord. Yeah. Guys. Yes, here. Papa Ducky! Wee, I'ma go to the moon, Daddy. Carry me. Oh my god. I might be able to glitch out. Hold on. I think I can glitch out. Ah! No. Oh. You've got to like go up and then you can like grapple. Corey, can you carry me? Wait, can you carry me quickly? Like, can you use it? Like, yeah, but hold on. Get your propeller out. Wait, no, don't. Wait, Corey, quickly. Pick me up and use your propeller. Pick me up. While I ride you. I'm gonna try glitch and then you can TP to me. Ready? Hold on. Try get through the glass and then I can see. I ain't fat, you. You're the adult. I glitch you somewhere. What the hell? Oh. Ah! You did it! You did it, Corey.
I enjoyed it.
Where are you going? I'm stuck! Corey! I'm stuck in position. No! Idiots! I fell to my death. No, you flipping. What? What are you trading me now? You made me fall to my death, Corey. Oh my god. Okay. 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 Corey. Barbara.
Hey, Chris. Where's the one rich cop? Where is she?
Hmm?
So,
Okay.
what? I get to stay here alone? I'm hungry.
Who's fighting? Oh my god. I'm in my house. Wait, stay there. I wanna see if you're still there. Don't go anywhere. You're still there. Oh, I found a puma. Hi. Yo, there's holes in my trousers now. Yeah, there's holes in my.
Sounds like your girlfriend's not coming back, huh? None of your business.
Oh my god.
It's a sketch artist. She's one of the men who showed Willis.
Yo.
Hey, man.
Look up, people, we're stuck. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Hampton's talking about. Oh my god. Hampton's talking. Corey, why did you say Hampton's talking the bath? Guinea pigs hate baths. No, I ain't inviting you to my fucking party, Lewis. LeBron James? LeBron James? Corey. 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 Skittle. Skittle. Oh, what's this boy want? Probably none. Yeah, sure. Wait, what? You're gonna train him? Yeah, he's junior. Wow! I'm still wrecked, you know. Come on, Hampton. Sit down, fat piggy. He's like, what are you talking about, mate? I'm talking to you in game. Good capybara, lay down. Good boy, you always lay down with your fat belly. Yeah, I'm still wrecked. 12 minutes. Bounce. Yeehaw. When it's full, 15 minutes. That's it for now. Only 2 tricks. This is outrageous. Rude, Hampton. You're hogging all the food. Gabby bear. Huh? Who's playing GTA? Who's playing GTA? Skittle. Brothers with Hampton. Hampton.
I'm talking. You want me to your brother bust out of prison? He doesn't call you the only person he's talked to in 2 years. What happened? You two had a phone, yeah? No. We were close. Always have been. Even after he bombed those cameras. That was an accident.
Yeah. Brothers for life. Even though Hampton hogs everything. I'm getting pushed into a wall. Skittle, brothers with Hampton. Oh, they haven't even got tails. Subscribe.
I don't know. But Ian thought what he was doing was good. You know the story was the last time. And he felt terrible about it. He handed himself to the cops. And pleaded guilty.
Corey, look. So. Corey, look. Hampton, Corey. Sophie,